Okay, so here we got the 2009 Road Glide, and I'll tell you what, I said this many times and I'm going to continue to say, I don't mean to spend any money on this bike, I just want to ride it, and that's pretty much about it. But one thing that I noticed that I just kind of like love now is going to be the music. I love the music. I'll tell you what, I'm going to be completely honest. When I got this motorcycle, the guy was talking about the stereo, and I'm like, I don't care. I'm not going to listen to music. I got my headphones on or I got my Sena on my helmet, and after using the speakers on the motorcycle, it has been so amazing. It has been wonderful. I'm telling you, I love the speaker. Very, very surprised. I'm not gonna lie, very surprised. I wasn't expecting to like it that much. But again, I don't want to spend a lot of money or anything like that. This radio is good enough to, 65, 70 miles per hour. I could still hear the radio. Obviously, there are some people that spend thousands of dollars in radio equipment, and nothing wrong with that, but again, I don't want to do that. But one thing that I would tell you is that I got that old radio, as you can see right there, and obviously my cell phone right here does not connect to the radio. And again, this is an older bike. I don't have USB or anything like that, so this is kind of what I'm doing right here. I got this cable or this charger attached right here, and I run my cord all the way up. I put my cell phone right there, and then I connect my cell phone to the radio utilizing this right here, which I'm going to talk about it in about a second. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now. There's going to be a thing down there, a button. You click subscribe, and then you'll be notified when I post videos. I like to ride motorcycles. I like to talk about bikes and things like that. So if you like this kind of stuff, definitely subscribe. I'm testing these glasses right here that I just got, and I'll tell you what, I've been pretty happy with them so far. You can see it right here. It has been pretty good, and it has like a little, fun in there. So stay tuned. That's going to be coming up pretty soon. Let me make sure that I'm in frame right here. But again, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on the motorcycle at all. What I wanted to do was to essentially just connect my phone to the radio, and this thing came alive. And by the way, I lost it. I just lost it the other day. I'm sure there's around here somewhere, the second one. But I was so frustrated that I lost it. I went back into my Amazon, orders that I have, and I reordered the same one. And I'm going to tell you, this thing is like less than 15 bucks. I can't remember. Less than maybe something around $15. And what it does is that it connects to your phone, to the auxiliary port, and then once you turn it on, the Bluetooth capability kind of connects to your phone right here. Let me just give you a quick look right here. I mean, this thing is not big at all. You kind of see it right there. I got it inside my hand, and again, you could kind of see that right there. So again, that's going to connect to the auxiliary port, and then that's about it, right? A couple things. It has a little switch right here. If you press down, it's going to be turned off, I believe, if you turn it back on. But again, the only thing you got to do, once again, is that you just got to put it in your motorcycle, and it's going to kind of sit right there, right? It's not going to be the most beautiful thing, I guess, but you know what? It works. Now I got my cell phone right here, and I'm able to play my music through my speakers. So let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.